Hey everybody, today we learn about if-error function. So let's start. Here I have a table with invoice, department, quantity, payment, and I want to calculate my payment and my quantity. So I write equal payment and then divide my quantity and then I press on enter. Now, as you can see, I don't have my quantity here and here, so I have an error message here and here. Now, if I do my if error and then open my list, I write my value, it's my calculate, payment, divide, quantity, but I have my error message. If I don't have my quantity, if I don't have my payment, I want this in blank, and then I press on OK button. I can see here my box and I can see here. Now if I take for another, as you can see, I can see in my blank without error message here and here. Now if I don't want this is my blank and it will be a no of something, I write the word and then I have the word no, but I don't have my error message. Okay, let's do a summary. I have here if error and then I have my value. I have if error value. Here it can be with blank, here it don't have with blank. Please subscribe after me and have a good day. Bye bye.